Will with Best Choice Roofing. I want to show y'all we're going to do a repair test on one of my homeowners' house to see if we can properly repair it without causing additional damage. Here's the damaged shingle right here, as you can see. I'm going to take this shingle right here off. I'm going to take the damaged shingle off right here. We're going to remove it and we're going to put that new shingle in there. And it should not cause additional damage above it or below it. So let's get started. Right here. So it is causing additional damage already, but mat transfer, just by trying to remove the shingle that we are trying to repair. At a 45-degree angle to see if it runs. Okay, yep. As I'm trying to lift it, it is ripping at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, it's terrible condition. The mat transfer on this roof is terrible, you guys. Yeah, this roof is in very bad condition. I'll see how damn it is afterwards. granule loss on this roof is terrible. Right. Got a couple more nails to remove. Now we're gonna try to remove it. One more nail to get out. That should come. All right, so this nail I'm trying to get out right now, it's gonna be difficult to get out because it's coming out this way instead of it being nailed in. Instead of it being nailed in straight down, it's nailed in not all the way, and the tip of it is going that way. And gravity, you know, I can't get this nail out without lifting above it. So it's gonna cause damage to above it, right here. So right there alone is telling you that this roof is not repairable, but we're gonna keep the repair test going. All right. So we got that one out because that shingle was apparently torn to pieces. You want to get the rest of it out? I got one more nail, I guess. Let's see where it's at. Yep, there it is. Granule loss on this roof is scary. All right. All right, so you guys, we're gonna show you the damage that happened so far. As you can see, just trying to remove the shingle. We got damage right here. All this damage right here. Got it ripped, lifting up right here. It's ripping, 45-degree angle. Ripping right here, just trying to get it off. The mat transfer on this roof is where it came from, and let me see. Yeah, see, can't even lift up a little bit. Tore right here. So we're gonna keep the repair tests going. We're gonna install the new shingle in there now. Let's see if I can't get there. We got the new shingle right here. We're gonna install this in there. All right, let's get to it. First nails. Let's put them in there. Putting the nails in the bottom one right now. All right, we got one more nail on the bottom, or in the new shingle. Then we're gonna nail back the shingle above it. We got the new shingle up there. We're gonna nail the top shingle above it. And after that, we should be finished. Put 3 in there. And we'll show you the damages after. Got 2 more nails, you guys. Call it. All right, guys, we are finished with the repair test. Let me show you all the damages that have occurred. Like I said, this right here is from the broken shingle. It was torn in half when I took it off, so you got that right there. All right, so let's see what that be. All right, so here we got the new shingle we installed right here. As you can see, trying to lift it up, we have damage right here at a 45-degree angle. Look at the tears that happened to this roof while trying to just remove the nails. We got tears right here. Tears right here. Luckily we didn't get nothing over here. Well, we got a little bit of tear right here, down here. Here's where the main damage happened. Tear, trying to remove the nails above it, the nails up here. Tears, we got tears. We got a lot of mat transfer as well. Lifting it up, it's tearing. So, tears right here. So as you can see, this is not repairable. Yeah, this brittle test has failed. We'll put F for failed. So thank you guys. I'm out.